Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to create a Figma design. First, let's understand what Figma is. It's a fantastic, collaborative design tool that runs right in your web browser, meaning no downloads are necessary. It's perfect for crafting user interfaces, creating interactive prototypes, and allowing your entire team to work together seamlessly and in real time on the same project. It truly streamlines the design process for everyone involved. To begin your design journey, open Figma and simply click to create a new design file. This will be your blank canvas. Next, you'll want to select a frame size, which acts as your artboard. Figma offers many preset options, like desktop, tablet, or various mobile device dimensions. You can also easily define custom dimensions to perfectly fit your specific project requirements, giving you complete control over your design space. Now, let's explore some essential design tools. You can easily draw basic shapes like rectangles, circles, and lines using the dedicated shape tools. For more intricate designs, the powerful pen tool lets you create custom vector paths with precision. Don't forget the text tool for adding all your labels and content. Keeping your design organized is key, so remember to use layers and groups to manage your elements effectively. Once your design is taking shape, it's time to bring it to life with prototyping. You can connect your different frames to create interactive flows, simulating how users will navigate your product. Easily define transitions and animations to make the experience smooth and engaging. Finally, sharing your design is simple. Invite others to view or edit, allowing for real-time collaboration and valuable feedback from your team members.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.